Good evening, everybody. This is Meteorologist Pierce Larkin here at the National Weather Service office in Columbia, South Carolina, and I am here to bring you a quick update on the latest with Tropical Storm Idalia. It is quickly moving across southern South Carolina and forecast to move offshore over the next several hours. As of the 8 p.m. intermediate advisory from the National Hurricane Center, had sustained winds of 65 miles per hour, central pressure of 985 millibars, and it was located 60 miles west of Charleston, although its center is very close to Charleston as we speak. So here's the latest forecast track. Like I said, it is forecast to move offshore of South Carolina over the next several hours, and it will quickly take its impacts with it. So as we were advertising before the event, this continues to be the case. Heavy rainfall has been the biggest impact that we felt, especially along and south of the I-20 corridor in the Midlands and CSRA. And we actually have had significant flash flooding and rainfall across the far southeastern Midlands in Orangeburg County, southern Clarendon, Bamberg and Barnwell counties, and Burke County, Georgia. So here's the latest radar loop of Idalia as it moves east-northeastward. You can see the center over southern South Carolina. And I want you to focus on this intense band of rainfall that's moving through eastern Orangeburg and now into Clarendon County. We have actually received significant reports of flash flooding from that, including water over roads and water approaching homes in eastern Orangeburg County. This is expected to continue pivoting north and northeastward over Clarendon County and eastern Sumter County. And as a result, we have flash flood warnings that extend from Barnwell County through Orangeburg County up into eastern Sumter and Clarendon County. Those go for the next several hours. If you are in these areas, please be sure to watch out for flooded roadways and be sure to send in reports of flash flooding to us here at the National Weather Service. In addition to the heavy rainfall and flash flooding, we've also had strong gusty winds, especially across the southern CSRA and southern Midlands, where we've had widespread wind gusts approaching tropical storm force between 35 and 40 miles per hour. Given the saturated soils, this has actually caused several areas of tree damage. These little hurricane symbols here just indicate that this is either a tropical storm force wind gust or wind damage caused by tropical storm winds. The worst tree damage we found is in Burke County and in Barnwell and Bamberg counties, where they've reported several trees down across the county. So if you're in any of these areas or you know of strong winds occurring and you come across a tree down or other wind damage, please be sure to relay that to us tonight or tomorrow. That would help greatly in us verifying our warnings and just getting out the full breadth of the damage the storm has caused. So the final threat that we had was the tornado threat that has quickly decreased as Idalia's center is moving to our south and our east. I expect that to continue to quickly decline as that band of rainfall moves eastward and northeastward. The tornado threat is virtually zero right now, given that we're very stable and most of the better dynamics and instability are well to our east tonight. So I want to leave you with a good note. After Idalia moves to our east, we will see a wonderful air mass move in for this end of August weekend with highs in the 70s tomorrow, highs in the 70s and low 80s on Friday. So something to look forward to after this brutal day of rainfall and gusty winds. So if you have any questions, be sure to call us here at the office or send us an email. Thank you very much. Have a good night.